So we're going to do the obvious thing and take it apart and multimeter the battery. So to do that, that's in two halves. You just got to put your thumbs in there, break that open. This one's got a little bit of chunk of that missing, so it comes straight off, but if not, you'll have to half the key, the two halves will come open. So then you can pull this little rubber thing out with the circuit board. Put that to one side. Take that out of the button, and there you go, there's your two switches. So let's remove the battery. Push on there and try and get your nail underneath the back of it. And then pull it. There you go. I'm making a video, darling. So we'll grab a multimeter. Check the battery. Where's my other lead gone? There you go, 3.15, so that's fine. Plenty of there. It's a 3-volt cell, so that should be pretty new. So bang that back in there. Like that. The other thing to check is the solder joints. These little micro switches are only surface mount, and sometimes the solder joints can go dry, or they can crack off the board. Just give them a little wiggle. Yeah, you can see that one. It's just moving, so that one's reflowing right there. So we'll have to get the soldering iron on that. Right, now I might as well reflow both of these. So it's a bit dodgy, but there we go. There's plenty of solder on that one. They are quite weak, but they're only surface mount, so what do you expect? And we'll try not to roast this resistor next to this one. But you can usually repair them. There we go. Might as well reflow that other switch whilst we're here as well. There we go. Just try and make it a bit stronger. I don't know why Mazda didn't have any chassis tags on them, because sometimes on bigger switches and stuff there's 2 pins on the board and like 3 pins around it just to mount it. So we'll go try that now. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that solder job on there. So we'll go try it. Now it's working alright. Just put it back in its holder. So we'll just pop that in the rubber case. Pop that in there, it sits down a little bit, and then get that, hook it over the front, and then just pop it on. Lovely jubbly.